Subaru of Gwinnett offers a completely transparent way to purchase a pre-owned vehicle. It begins with an aggressive internet price, no haggling, also providing all the information on the vehicle, including the Carfax report and a list of any other work done on the vehicle. We work with a multitude of banks and credit unions and can get you the best rate possible. And we have our own in-house insurance agency. But before you take delivery of your certified pre-owned vehicle, it goes through a thorough inspection.
Here at Subaru of Gwinnett, we take a lot of pride in our certified pre-owned vehicles. This is actually a checklist that we go through, a 152-point inspection in inspecting every single certified pre-owned vehicle. We do everything from inspecting the tires to inspecting the interior, the transmission, the brakes. We even do a cold engine road test on the vehicle. We do a lower vehicle road test. We lift the vehicle up and look under and inspect the entire vehicle. We do this on every certified pre-owned vehicle because we take pride in our vehicles and we want to deliver you a perfect certified pre-owned Subaru.